This tutorial breaks down the multiple call modes of the access control terminal for you, introduces the call modes suitable for different application scenarios, and demonstrates the complete setup process of multi-panel group calling. Step 1. Configure the 3 call modes. Access control terminal home screen, tap menu, select QR code. Enter password 516516, settings, dial mode. At this point, 3 modes will appear on the interface: one touch call mode, keypad mode, and room mode. Let's demonstrate them one by one. Room mode. All added panels are displayed directly on the home screen. Simply tap a panel name to initiate a call. One-touch call mode. Tap the call button on the home screen to directly connect to the first panel in the room management list. Keypad mode. Tap the call button, manually enter the room number of the target panel, and then initiate an individual call. Next, we will explain the setup of multi-panel group calling in room mode, which consists of 5 steps. 1. Preparation. Power on all central control panels to be added to the group. Confirm and record the IP address of each panel. 2. Access control terminal operation. Return to the Access Control Terminal home screen, tap menu, Room Management, and log in by entering the default password 516516. 3. Create new group entry. Tap the plus icon in the upper right corner of the page to enter the new entry interface. 4. Fill in configuration information. First, enter the IP addresses of all central control panels to be added to the group in sequence in the IP address field. Then complete the basic group information. Set the group number to 999 uniformly. Fill in any number for the room number and enter a custom group name, for example, building 1 group in the location field. 5. Complete setup. After verifying that all information is correct, tap Save and exit the interface to return to the Access Control Terminal home screen. Tap the newly added group name on the Access Control Terminal home screen to call all panels in the group simultaneously. These are the complete operations for the multiple call modes of the Access Control Terminal.